How to close your Microsoft account. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily close out your Microsoft account. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your web browser and then go to Microsoft.com. Once you're here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. I've already logged in with my Outlook accounts that I want to delete. So click on the profile icon and then go to your Microsoft Account Manager. Once you get to this page, all you need to do is find Your Info right below Account section. Just tap on the Your Info tab, and you should be able to see all of your available information, like your email, phone number, and address. So if you just scroll down all the way, here you can see your profiles. So if you've connected any other profiles like Xbox, Skype, it would show up right below your profiles. Find this option called Close Accounts right below Account Info, and then click on it. Once you get here, it will open up a new tab on Microsoft Support. So you're going to have to read through all of these to see what it does if you close your account. So if you are sure, you can follow these steps. You can sign in to start closing your Microsoft's personal account. Then you'll be prompted to sign in and verify. Check the page that shows the correct Microsoft account, then click on Next. Then you can read the list and check the boxes to acknowledge that you've read each item. Then you can choose to have the reopen window set to 30 or 60 days. Then select the reason from the drop-down list and then click mark account for closure. So tap on close account. Now just do the following instruction that you've just said. I'm going to enter my password and then click on next. Once you have done that, all you have to do is just select your reason. So make sure that you know that it will cancel any of the subscription that you currently have, and it will cancel any current business or organizational services, and delete your Microsoft Entra tenants as well. Then you can save your health records. So all of these will be deleted. You could, just in case you change your mind, they can wait for 30 or 60 days before they permanently close your account. Click on next. Now, if you are sure, just check all of these boxes and then mark account for closure. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.